Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we're gonna see how we can enable the voice chat of Roblox in PlayStation 5. So let's get started without any delay. So as of now, the voice chat of Roblox is unavailable for PS5, means Roblox won't provide the feature of voice chat in PS5 because it requires a age verification and some other features which won't allow PS5 for voice chat. But as an alternative, you can start a party on PS5 console to voice chat with the players. Now to start a voice chat party on PS5, first of all press the PlayStation button to open the control center and then select the game base. Now go to parties tab and select start party, and then you will get two options to select. One is open party and other is closed party. In the open party, friends of the host as well as friends of the party members can join the party without an invitation, and in closed party only the selected and invited players can join. And also you can use a Discord server on other device to have a voice chat with your friends. So these are the ways by which you can fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.